I want to tell you people that don't misunderstand Mama Ida Odinga's statement. She was very clear, and it was just a mere proposal. It's not the final decision. And Mama Ida Odinga, being the mother of the nation, mother of this great continent, sometimes tunaweza kubaliana na maneno yake, lakini hana uwezo wa kutuamulia. As at now, aliyoyasema si mabaya, ni mazuri, lakini bado kuchukua ukingpin, bado kuchukua ukingpin, kuna mambo mengine lazima tuyazingatie. There is self-declared kingpin. Now, if you say Luo Nyanza, allow me tell you this, Mbadi is not a Luo. So when Luos need their kingpin, lazima wataenda to the drawing board. But wakitaka kiongozi wa ODM, Mbadi is worth, but there are other worthy people. So the people of ODM will sit down to decide on who is who. And to talk about the Nyanza region, there's a bigger area, one of the biggest political areas, which must be looked in very keenly. And we won't just handpick somebody from nowhere to go lead us. We'll pick somebody who is worthy, somebody who can stand, mwenye anaweza simama kitu chochote kitendeka.